Oh yeah, you know what this means.
Hi y'all.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we are joined by special guest, the Lady Fauntleroy.
Hi y'all.
She's here to talk about shirts and pants and all kinds of crazy things.
Cut up some shoes.
And cut up some shoes. We're finally going to cut up those Air Force Ones. But first off, we are going to take a look at the Supreme Fall Winter 21 Week 4. Thank you, Vanna. And we do have a collaboration this week. Do you know what the collaboration is?
No, what is it?
This week, we finally know the worth of Supreme.
Come on, anything but morning. Let's go. Come on, baby. No whammies. Stop. Okay, that's it. 2 crows.
2 crows?
Actually, it's just 1 crow, because it's a crow collaboration with the crow.
The guy?
From the movie, but not the movie. They're just doing the graphic novel guy. They aren't like on Brandon Lee level. They're only like the guy that wrote the original story levels. I'm not a huge fan for the most part, and I really actually wish they would have done it with the movie, to be fair.
That would have been awesome.
It would have been really cool. First off, I do want you guys to remember we have that fishbowl giveaway. This is the last video. This is your last chance.
Last chance for the fishbowl.
See, she knows. You guys should know too. So if you want to get in on it, go ahead and watch the video. It'll be up here maybe. And if it's not, it'll be in the description down here. So yeah, so if you want to watch it, check it out. I have the link to that, and subscribe to the channel and all that jazz.
No! God, please, no!
This video is gonna be a long one, so buckle up.
It is going to be a long video. We're going to talk about the drop coming up this week. I got a little bit of an unboxing from week 2, so all the Yankees stuff came in. I've got some Travis Scott stuff that came in, and we're gonna cut up her shoes finally. We got her some Nike Air Force Ones, and they're the kind that you can tear off and reveal different sections. We're gonna do it live, kinda. Live for us, taped for you. Alright, let's jump into this drop list. Like I said, they're doing a Crow collaboration this week. I'm looking at Supreme Community. Most of the Crow stuff is at the bottom of the list. Most of the graphics that they used are not that great. I mean, just jumping into it, I'm gonna honestly go number 5 item of the week. I'm just gonna throw anything from this collaboration in at number 5 of the clothing items anyways. I'd say the cargo pants.
Maybe the black and white sweater.
Maybe the black and white sweater, yeah. Quite honestly, I would say that the jeans are probably the number 1 item in my opinion from the collaboration. The clothing items from the collaboration. I like the sweater, but I think the pants are actually the most wearable items, even though they're kind of loud. But my favorite item from the Crow collaboration is actually gonna be this deck right here. I don't like the eyes. I like the one that has the graphic novel part on it, so I hope that it's that with the back that has all the writing on it. All of the pieces have these words down the back, and they did that with Scarface. They do that with a lot of the movies where they'll have like a quote or something on the back of the board. Honestly, so for me, like number 5 is gonna be like probably this deck, maybe the cargo pants or the regular jeans. She doesn't think they're gonna make any money.
And then coming in at number 4,
Alright.
you have the...
Number 4, I'm just gonna go throw the paint sticks in there.
It's a set of 2. It looks like a marker.
I believe that they're about the size of markers, and the reason I'm going to put them at number 4 is because I bet they're going to be a very affordable item. They're not going to cost very much. It's a marker, but it's made of paint, probably. Again, I don't think you're going to make any money off of it. I think just buy it if you want to have fun with it. Buy it to save on free shipping, most definitely. If you're going to buy anything else, just throw it into a big cart.
I don't know what I would use them for. Plus, what are the colors? Are those the colors? Red and white mixed together, so then it's just pink paint?
I believe that it comes out looking like that.
Um,
If not, it would all be black, right? I mean, there would be a
Yeah, it's
stupid.
weird.
I'm pretty
It's like
sure
a
that
weird-
it
yeah.
keeps the
The
lines
pattern.
right.
So
yeah.
if you have a need for that pattern and those lines, I think awesome.
Which they-
Stocking stuffers, hey.
It would be a great stocking stuff. You could stock it into the Supreme stocking that they did last year. I don't think they're gonna make a ton of money for you, but the price point's gonna be super cheap.
Just throw them in there. Save your shipping, like he said.
Boom. See, she knows.
Number 3 is...
I'm gonna go with that lighter. I'm just gonna put it out there for number 3. Again, this is like my free shipping sort of a thing. Lighters have honestly been doing okay.
I like the blue one, but
They're-
it's my birthday month, so...
The only thing is it looks kind of cheap to me. These ones do okay on the market. I'm not sure if those are going to be as popular as like the original ones, but at the end of the day, there's something new.
And you can save on free shipping. Throw them in the box.
I have trained her well, haven't I? Throw it in the box.
Throw it in the box.
What's in the fucking box?
Free shipping. That's what.
Oh, God!
Cold-blooded, Brad, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Brad.
She meant every word. And number 2, we're coming in hot. She knows what this is. What is it? What is number 2?
Hats.
How many hats?
Lots.
Lots of hats. Apparently this week we will get that military camp cap. We already talked about the military camp cap last week. We like the blue one.
We like the blue one.
We like the black one.
Like the black one.
Otherwise,
I
think I would stay clear.
He's saying stay clear.
She got this one. This is a new
I
one.
like this one. This one's fun, y'all. Look.
It's a nice camp cap.
Yes, it's fun. It fits nicely. I like the little buckle in the back.
So we've already talked about the camp caps. They also have these fitted hats, these new era fitted hats.
I actually kind of dig that there's a two-tone to it, that there's like solid color here and then a completely different color underneath. That's kind of cool.
If you're looking to resell these hats, you want to go with size 8. Pretty much only at this point. They are almost impossible to grab.
Why size 8?
There're just not that many of them available.
Okay.
I say that just because they're not reselling like they used to. You're only able to sell a fitted hat to the particular people that will fit that fitted hat, whereas like the camp cap is adjustable, so anyone can wear it. And if you buy a black camp cap, that means anyone can wear it with basically anything that they're wearing, right? Now these hats though, I do think have some potential because of the two-tone. However, I think they jacked up on the black one. If you look really closely, you'll see that they've actually put the green underneath the brim of that hat. I think that's a huge fail.
It's the lime green.
It is lime green. It's the same thing that's underneath the red one that you can see, right? The brown one has the pink. Now, to me, of these hats, the brown one is by far going to be the fastest sellout. Those brown hats are going to go exactly perfectly with some of the Travis Scott stuff that just came out. The pink and brown just like that.
What about the blue? What's under the blue?
It's pink as well.
Oh, if that was yellow, that'd be cool. I thought it was like a yellow.
They all look pink, and so I would honestly, for me personally, I would not want to have any of the ones with the green underneath. Right now, for some reason this year, pink is the color of the year, right? So the Hanes were in pink.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
And everybody was like, that's weird. Sold out faster than the purple ones last year. So pink is a very hot color. It definitely goes with like the Travis Scott stuff right now. The brown and pink one. And I think navy and pink still looks pretty good. I wish they would have just done them all with pink underneath, to be fair. They've made so many of these hats in the past few seasons because they were doing really well and they were selling well. So then Supreme goes, oh, maybe we should make more. If you're buying these for personal, they're all cool. Get whichever ones you want. But I would say, really honestly, the brown one and any other one size 8.
There you have it.
I still like the military camp cap better. If you're wanting to sell them, I think the black ones always go for about $80 to $100 depending on the day. That navy one's cool with the blue and yellow. It's kind of a Michigan colorway, so I can see that doing well down the road too. Some Pacers fans out there, it's Pacer colorways too. The camp cap to me is what you should go after first. Honestly, you should be able to get both of them in a cart. I don't see it being a crazy week. Okay, for our number 1 item, I'm just going to agree with the Supreme community today, and I'm going to go with this sweatshirt.
The pearl logo hooded sweatshirt.
I think it's kind of just a basic Supreme hoodie. It is a little bedazzled, and as you know, I always recommend the bedazzled things to you folks, but it's because they generally just don't make that many of them when they gotta bedazzle them. They get lazy, you know, Supreme, a bunch of skaters, they're gonna go, you know what, I wanna go smoke a bowl, and then they forget to make the rest of them.
I'm so wasted.
They made these.
Of these colors, though, probably just the natural is nice, black.
I like that ivory.
Yeah, I called it natural ivory. I don't know what color it is really, but yeah. The one on the front there looks nice.
I like that one.
I also think like
the green one's kind of fun.
The green and yellow is an Oregon colorway, so that can work.
And then you have the blue and the red.
You got some Patriots colorway. That's right. She's picking them out there.
Yeah, the white and the red one is too obvious, and then the gray one feels a little bit like boring.
The gray one's boring.
But maybe because it's just the color.
And to be fair, if you were looking to get these for reselling, probably I would just stick with the ivory natural one in an XL. You may be able to get an XXL in these, but it just depends on how busy the traffic is for the day. Obviously, this is the number 1 item according to me, so that probably drives the price right there.
Price is already going up.
Already
guys.
going
up.
But obviously, the Supreme community agrees with me for a change here, so that's gonna even drive it even higher. So that is basically this week. I don't think it's the greatest week, to be honest with you. I was hoping for wah indeed. I was hoping for a little bit better of a week.
Honorable mentions.
I do have an honorable mention, just one actually today. I don't have multiple. I gave you all the Crow ones earlier, so I mean that's kind of all those are basically honorable mentions. The other honorable mention would be this high density small box logo short sleeve top. Whatever it is, it's tonal on there and it's a small box logo. They won't sell out, but it's Supreme, but it's a little less like in your face Supreme.
It's really quiet. It's like whispering.
It's technically a box logo though. Look at it. Tell me it's not. It's a little tiny baby box logo. It's like this big. You have it this big. So yeah, and otherwise that's about it. This week isn't the greatest.
Surprise, motherfucker.
So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys some of these items. But here we go. So the first item is, I got this from Travis Scott.
For this life I cannot change.
They sent it on time?
No, but they actually sent it. This one I'm definitely gonna keep.
Ooh, exciting.
This will be a new one, so I'll take this out. This is the Fragment Travis Scott tee.
Ooh, I like.
Yeah, I like this one a lot. So with that brown hat, this would go perfect with this damn.
Oh, because you have the pink here.
Yeah. Again, I can't wear that brown hat, but yeah, this one I'm keeping for myself. I really like
nice.
this one. Okay, so another item we got was this KAWS Fragment Travis Scott triple collaboration nonsense. Pretty much just has a KAWS head on top of a baby and then the word Fragment. It's like, it's as little collaboration as could possibly be when 3 people make a t-shirt. English Ashley in the channel there, he's got one too.
Hey there.
We're KAWS Fragment Travis Scott bros, that's for sure. It's a triple collaboration. What do you, I mean, of course. All right, let's do the Supreme stuff. Come on, let's do this. Let's get into this one real quick. Boom. We've got
stickers.
All on the lights. That's all I cared about. Stickers. F this thing. I got cards in every one of these packages, by the way. I opened the other ones. This one came today. So here it is, the Airbrush New York Yankees. This is an XL hooded sweatshirt. It's actually really nice. This colorway was the best one for sure. Okay. All the big airbrushes, the sleeves are it's the city of New York.
I love the graffiti on this. I really like how they did the buildings at the bottom. And the Supreme isn't like, it's big, but it's not loud. Oh, look at the inside of the hoodie.
Yeah, the hoodie's all done. The whole thing is done.
Cool.
I mean,
so then if it's flipped over on the back,
you'll see it on the back, you'll see it on the front, and then yeah, it's got another tag on the side here. I'd love to have a Dodgers airbrush like this, but these are really cool.
I'm not one for things being loud, but I like that one.
One of the other Yankees pieces I got were these pants. These are track pants, size small. So you see the pants have Supreme here. They have the Yankees logo on the front. Pretty usable pants, honestly. Yeah. I don't hate the Yankees. I'm from Chicago and now I live in LA, so it's like,
yeah, I'm
not rocking Yankees that much. I'm really impressed by the quality on these things.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting them to be as nice. Like the stitching is really nice on everything.
Yeah, the stitching is really nice, especially in these areas with a change of color.
And even better than track pants, the track jacket. Now this thing is super nice.
It really is.
I love it. It looks like something that the players would honestly wear. All this stuff is official MLB merch, but you know what's awesome about this jacket? Honestly, even better than the New York logo. I think this is one of the best, just tags on the back. It's super nice. Even though it's gigantic Supreme, I don't feel like it feels that loud.
Like, yeah. I'm a manager with this team.
No, seriously. It looks like something that the managers on the team would wear. I think they did such a great job with this. Playoffs are coming up. The Yankees are going to start doing better. I see these items going up when people realize they're going to be harder and harder to get. The item for me of the week were these pants. Now, I did check out a jacket, but for some reason, it was like a fake checkout, so... It's okay, because these pants are worth it. These might be my favorite item from Supreme so far that I have received.
Wow. Oh, look at that stitching, dude.
It's completely just embroidered into the pants. I don't want to see you go, but I love watching you walk away. To be fair, they kind of remind me of like those chrome heart jeans. I mean, those things sell for...
thousands.
Yeah, those things can sell for thousands depending on what they are. Obviously, these aren't going for thousands, but I think these are definitely an item to hold on to, and I think if the Yankees go deep in the playoffs this year, these might appreciate a lot faster than normal.
Very nice.
Alright guys, that is all we have for the unboxing part.
Yes. And now it is time to...
Have you ever had Air Force Ones before?
Nope.
No? Okay, those will be your first Air Force Ones. They're very comfortable. Most people like Air Force Ones. Okay, pull one out.
That's what he said. It's because of gay.
Okay, so these little Air Force Ones came out a few months ago. You can remove all the pieces of it. So each little piece has a different color underneath. Pastel reveals, I believe that's what the name of these were. Obviously, it's annoying to see that part right there. I think definitely both swooshes probably should go first. See if you can just pull the swoosh off. I think you can just pull the tab of the do it in the front. Look for the camera. It's for the people, not for you. You waited for the people.
I did wait for the people.
If you wanted to do it.
Thank y'all for waiting.
Yes, they're very excited about this.
They've
been basically waiting on bated breath for you to do this to this shoe.
But look, it's not. I think I'm gonna need
You need these actual scissors?
Yeah.
You want to risk it for the biscuit?
You risk it for the biscuit.
You want me to risk it?
Do it!
Yeah, boy.
Alright, that's too sexual for y'all. Y'all, I know my age demographic. I'm gonna get in trouble for that. Let's see if I can. Or maybe I do need the scissors.
5 minutes later.
We're going with scissors. This is a disaster. F you, shoes. Be more hospitable. Don't cut my fingers.
Don't cut your fingers.
Put your hands
I have to clean it up.
Why are you trying to flex on my audience with your big old rings? We're just trying to cut this off and she's trying to flex.
I'm not trying.
Oh, look at, let me. Here we go. There it is. Look at that. Does that feel nice?
There it goes.
2 hours later.
Look at how terrible that looks. But we got a swoosh exposed. Alright, so she's done. That's all we're going to show on this shoe. Otherwise, that
20 minutes.
That took 20 minutes.
20 minutes, and then we still have to clean it up. And we've discovered that we need tiny little scissors to cut them. We'll get you the after.
I thought those would be really cool for her, and she's never had Air Force Ones before, so.
First timer.
That's what she said.
Alright, so, that was a little bit of a failure there at the end. I'd have to set up a whole new video for that, so, I should have done that separately. But we'll get that thing all put together proper for her, and I'll get a picture for that.
And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get that fishbowl. What? And guess what? I'm gonna be the one sending it to you.
Who are you?
Yeah, I'm going out of town this week, so.
And I am known to sneak a few stickers into shipments.
Alright, well, anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. You got anything to say?
Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week.
And we will see you next video.
Bye.
Today I didn't even have to use my AK. I gotta say it was a good day.